Two AI certifications, both from Microsoft, and both are highly searched. Still, every week I receive the same question from working professionals across India. Should I start with 901 or directly go to AI 103? Pick the right one and your learning path become very clear. Pick the wrong one and you will spend months of confusing about AI even though you are working hard on that. Today, I am going to answer this properly, not from exam angle, but from a career growth angle. Welcome to AI Catalyst. Let me tell you something I see very frequently. A software engineer or an IT professional with 5, 6, or even 10 years of experience looks at AI and feels speechless. It's not because they're lacking of capabilities, they are smart and hardworking people. The problem is they jumped into AI without a proper starting point. They started from the middle of the story, and that is why nothing feels connected. Learning has a sequence, and if sequence is wrong, even the good efforts gives the wrong results. So today, let us fix this sequence. Imagine you are building a house. Before walls, before roof, you need a solid base. AI 901 is that base. This exam does not ask you to write a code or build models. What it gives you a clear conceptual map of the total AI landscape. After AI 901 certification, you will know the real difference between machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and other services. You also know how Azure AI services are structured and how to use them. You will know where Copilot and generative AI tools are fits into ecosystem of Microsoft. This certification is the right choice for you if you are just starting your AI journey, or if you are an IT professional who is transitioning into an AI role, or if you're a people manager, non-technical role, who needs to understand AI before working with it. Skipping AI 901 will not save your time. It will create the gap in your understanding, which will shows up later in interviews, in project, and in your own confidence. AI 103 is a different level of conversation. Here, Microsoft expects you to do real AI work on Azure, which means designing complete AI solutions using Azure AI and cognitive services in practical scenarios, deploying, securing, monitoring AI workloads, and making responsible AI decisions at the architecture level. AI 103 is the right choice if you are working as a developer or cloud solution architect. If you are having good hands-on experience with Azure AI services in your current role, or if you are moving into AI engineer role from a cloud background. But this is where I see a mistake happening repeatedly in India. Professionals see AI 103 as more advanced, more impressive certification, and they start directly with this. But without foundation, advanced things gives pressure that do not give confidence. And slowly this pressure turns into a belief that AI is too difficult, which is completely wrong. When professionals skip the foundation, they understand the concept partially, not fully. They feel uncertain in the interviews even after months of study, and they hesitate on the real projects because they do not know if their information or knowledge is rock solid or not. And eventually they start saying, maybe AI is not for me. That conclusion is wrong. And it is painful to watch this because these are capable people who just started at a wrong place. AI is not difficult. Learning AI without a structure is difficult. If this is helping you to think more clearly about your path, press like and share button. It really recommends YouTube to share this video to more professionals who are facing exactly same confusion right now. Let's keep going. Let me give you my clear recommendations here. If you are new or just starting with AI, or even if you are transitioning from another IT domain to AI, go for AI 901. No question. If you are working as Azure architect or developer and you are well versed and comfortable with Azure AI services, you can go directly to AI 103. If you are still not sure, Go for AI 901. It only strengthens your foundation. There's no downside. Learning AI is not a race, it is a process. Foundation first, then execution, then go for mastery. That is how careers are built, not by rushing past the basics. Certifications alone does not change the career, but right learning path does. AI 901 gives you thinking. It gives you language, framework, and the conceptual model. AI 103 gives you capabilities. It turns that understanding into right skill to use on Azure platform. Certifications together gives you something more important than any certification on its own. They gives you confidence in your own ability. And I want you to understand this. AI is not a future that is coming someday. AI is a filter right now deciding jobs and career. The professionals who build solid foundations today are the ones who leading AI projects tomorrow. If you want structured, honest guidance on Azure and AI without shortcuts, without noise, subscribe AI Catalyst. See you in the next video.